Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to talk about the past in English.
That's right. When we talk about things we did before now, we need to use the simple past tense. It's super easy and super useful.
Exactly. Whether you're telling a story, sharing memories, or just talking about what you did yesterday, this simple past is the way to go.
The simple past tense is used for actions that happened and finished in the past. The best part is the action is over. It's not happening now.
Right. For example, when you say, I visited my friend last weekend. She watched a movie yesterday.
These are both actions that happened once and finished. The verbs are in their past forms.
Yep. And there are two types of verbs in the past: regular and irregular.
Regular verbs are easy. You just add ed at the end. For example, I played tennis. They worked all day.
But irregular verbs are a bit tricky because they don't follow the add ed rule. They change completely. For example,
Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Have becomes had.
right. So, for example,
I went to the beach last summer. We ate pizza last night.
when we use the simple past, we usually add a time expression to show when the action happened. Here are some common ones: yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2005, when I was a child, last year.
Here are some examples. I visited Paris last year. She called me yesterday. We saw that movie 2 weeks ago.
These time expressions help you be more specific about when something happened.
Now it's time to practice.
Let's do a little quiz together. First question: what did you do yesterday? Use the simple past to answer.
And second question, where did you go last weekend? Again, use the simple past.
And here's a fun one: what did you eat for breakfast this morning?
Don't forget to leave your answers in the comments below. We want to hear all about your past experiences.
Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes people make with the simple past.
One mistake is using the present tense instead of the past. For example, saying, I go to the park yesterday. This is wrong because we're talking about yesterday, so we need to say, I went to the park yesterday.
Another mistake is using irregular verbs like regular ones. For example, saying, she comed to the party last night. The correct form is, she came to the party last night.
So remember, regular verbs add ed, and irregular verbs change completely. It's important to learn those irregular verbs.
And that's it for today. We hope this lesson on the simple past helped you feel more confident about talking about the past.
Yes, keep practicing and soon you'll be telling amazing stories in the past tense.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.
And don't forget to comment below with your answers to the questions. We'd love to hear about what you did yesterday, last weekend, and this morning.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now and keep practicing your English.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.